Sunday recap time, and our best moment was absolute sneeze chaos. Picture a lobby where every player avatar sneezes in a totally different style. One tiny mouse sneeze, one mega boss roar, one silent sniper sneeze that only moves the eyebrows. It looked like a weird sound pack you unlock at level 50. So why does that happen in real life? Your sneeze is like your personal special move. Your nose shape changes the airflow. Your chest power sets the volume. Even your throat and mouth decide if it is a cute achoo or a thunder blast. Your brain hits the same sneeze button, but your body presses it in its own style. That is why some people sneeze once and others spam the sneeze button like a broken controller. What does your sneeze sound like in game terms?